is the resting tongue position for American English speakers. When we're not thinking about anything in particular, we make this sound, Spanish speakers actually do the tongue a little higher up. No sé qué quiero comer. It's a little higher up, right? The difference there is your resting tongue position is up here, mine's down here. Speaking in English, we gotta lower that down a little so that you're not using the Spanish articulation, the Spanish position. We've got to control it. So that's the most important sound, the most frequently used sound in the American accent.